Hey guys, Danny here, back with another video for you. This is my first video in the new year, so I just want to take this opportunity to say I hope all of you had a really great new year and holidays and maybe some time to rest. So to start off the new year, I'm reviewing some wireless earbuds, and these ones are definitely worth checking out because I think they have the best sound quality of any I've tested so far, which is a pretty big statement, and they also come in at a very good price also. If you want to pick these up, I will put a link down in the description, and as you can see, these have over 1,000 ratings on Amazon, so they're pretty well tested, and I got these sent for review, so I wanted to check these out and make a video for you. Let's first of all talk about hardware. The case has a display on the front and it's put in quite nicely, so it's small and doesn't take up too much space. The lid that the case is using also feels quite nice and sturdy. The case itself is relatively small in form factor. It's about a medium size to a lot of others that I've tested, so this should feel pretty good for most of you if you're going to be carrying this around with you. And it has a 1400 mAh battery, so should give you a decent number of charges. I would say around 9 to 10 full charges of the earbuds, and the earbuds themselves will give you roughly 4 to 5 hours of music playback, depending what volume you're using them and how intensively. The actual earbuds are using a form factor that you would expect. They have LEDs as well, which shows you their charging status and some other indicators like if they're in pairing mode. They are pretty compact, more so than usual, and they did feel like they fit really snugly in my ear, and they're quite inconspicuous, so if you are looking for a pair that don't stick out of your ear too much, these do offer quite a snug compact fit and remain out of sight pretty well. There is a micro USB on the side which you can use to charge the case, and you will get an indication of the charge status from the screen on the front. I'm definitely a fan of the cases that use these screens. They take up a little bit of space, which may sacrifice a small percentage of battery capacity, but overall I like having this feature because it just gives you a really clear indication of how much charge is left in the case. There is also a standard USB on the other side which you can use to charge your devices. This is only really going to be for emergencies, as you're not really going to get much charge out of the 1400 mAh battery because you have to compensate for the conversion as well. The earbuds created a really nice snug fit in my ear and felt like they really isolated the sound well. Now this may vary slightly depending on your ear shape, and you of course can change the ear tips to find some that maybe give you better sound isolation. One small thing that I dislike about this device is it is using standard buttons on the earbuds rather than touch capacitive buttons, which basically means you have to press quite firmly on the earbuds, which pushes the earbud into your ear, and it can be quite uncomfortable, especially if you're training and you want to quickly change your song or pause what you're playing. So this is something to bear in mind. It is a minor nitpick, but anytime I test earbuds that have standard buttons, I just find it a little more annoying to have to press them because it just pushes the earbud deeper into your ear and feels a bit more uncomfortable. However, I was at certain points blown away by the sound that these small earbuds are able to output, especially their bass. When you get a good sill in your ears and you're playing something that has quite a pronounced bass, like this bass test video that I often use on YouTube, you get some pretty ridiculous bass that sounds similar to if you were sitting in a car with a subwoofer turned up pretty loud. I actually felt my ears vibrating slightly, which I haven't experienced before, so these definitely felt above and beyond other earbuds, especially when it came to bass. The general audio quality was also up there with the best. The audio, vocals and instruments sounded relatively clear, and I didn't have any dropping in and out of the connection. Overall, it just felt really solid. So rounding up this video guys, I don't have any problems besides the physical buttons on the side of the earbuds. Other than that, these are a really solid pair of earbuds. They come in at a low price, and as always, if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link down in the description for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.